Kong with the details. So what do you know about this latest outbreak in Xinjiang?
Yeah, it's a significant jump in new COVID-19 cases in China as the country's battling this fresh flare-up all across the nation, but especially in the western region of Xinjiang. Yesterday, China reported about 68 new COVID-19 cases. Today, the number is 101. China's National Health Commission presented the most recent data earlier today, and it represents the highest single-day jump in new cases since early April. Let's bring up the data for you. Now, China is reporting 101 new cases, including 98 locally transmitted cases. Of the 98 locally transmitted cases, 89 were reported in Xinjiang, 8 in Liaoning, that's where Dalian is located, and 1 in Beijing. That's a total of 86,982 confirmed cases. Now, let's bring up another slide and zero in on Xinjiang. Now, all of Xinjiang's 89 new cases are in the capital of Urumqi. Now, Xinjiang is a total 22 confirmed cases, 300 are in the capital. John, given the opaque nature of reporting anything related to Xinjiang, it is hard to get concrete detail or video coming out of that region, but this is what we know. All of these cases are linked to what's being described as a gathering activity in the capital of Urumqi. Those infected, they have not been abroad this year. The concentration of the cases are linked to what is called the Tianshan district of Urumqi, which is this, it's the core downtown area of the Xinjiang capital, where you have residential sites, commercial sites, cultural sites all mixed together. It was a week ago when local officials in Urumqi declared the city was in wartime mode. Residents living in community compounds, they've been banned from leaving their compounds for a week now. Subway service, bus service have been suspended for a week. Widespread testing is underway. John.
Kristie, what's the situation in Beijing? Because there was one new case today. So how are they keeping the situation there contained? Because there seems to be a lot of focus there because it is the capital.
Yeah, absolutely. Beijing reported one new case today, according to the National Health Commission. Look, the official emergency health response in the Chinese capital city remains low. Parks are open, coffee shops are open, shopping malls and restaurants are open. But according to our colleagues in the bureau in Beijing, they say that a number of shopping centers, restaurants, and business centers have brought back health screening measures that they had temporarily suspended. So if you enter a shopping center or a restaurant in Beijing, you will have that thermal temperature check, as well as your health code check on your smartphone, looking for that green QR code, meaning that you are COVID-19 free. So it seems that restaurants there, business people there, in general, don't want to take any additional risks. They don't want to return to another wave of infection, which Beijing had most recently experienced back in June. John.
Kristie, thank you. Kristie Lu Stout there with the very latest from China. Appreciate it.